The Nissan Qashqai key fob battery replacement is a simple process. First, grab a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam on the key fob, typically located where the keyring attaches. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. The Nissan Qashqai key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Note the battery's orientation before removing it. The positive side faces up. Use the pry tool or your fingernail to gently pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Firmly snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion on the contacts and clean with isopropyl alcohol.